turn holds a memory. Every road feels like home again. Dust beneath my wheels, breeze upon my face. No matter where I wander, I know this is my place. Oh, the roads of my village take me home again. Through the fields and little rivers, through the sunshine and the rain. Every mile, every corner has a story to recall. These simple village roads are my greatest road of all. Children run beside me, waving as I pass. Farmers walk the narrow road, moving through the grass. Houses stand so quietly beneath the open sky, and the evening turns to gold as the day is passing by. Oh, the roads of my village take me home again. Through the fields and little rivers, through the sunshine and the rain. Every mile, every corner has a story to recall. These simple village roads are my greatest road of all. When the city lights surround me and the world feels far too wide, I remember these old pathways and the village by my side. No highway can replace them, no journey feels the same. For every road I traveled here still whispers out my name. When the sunset paints the sky, I slowly drive along. Golden fields beside me, carrying an old familiar song. The moon appears above the trees, stars begin to glow, and the road beneath my wheels says this is where you know. The roads of my village take me home my heart belongs there yet.